Officially licensed. High-quality materials. For use in all weather and conditions. Quality-assured design. Tested for function in a real-world environment. Plasticolor specializes in licensed automotive accessories. We are proud to represent major, world-class brands in all product categories and maintains manufacturing facilities in Fullerton, California. Our core values are integrity, quality, creativity and collaboration. Creativity is our destination, quality is our path. Top reviews from the United States. Fits Dodge Ram windshield. Looks great. Great for Star Wars fans. Easy to use. Protects dash and interior from sun's heat and UV damage.